Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this animated background gradient. Look at it go. But first, I want to thank two people from our wonderful Scrimba Weekly Web Dev Challenge community who showed me how to do this. And those people are Anne Breen with this wonderful tip calculator and Shreyans who made this super cool brightly coloured form. And if you want to join the Scrimba Weekly Web Dev Challenge community, head on over to this link, which I'll leave in the description. And we give you a brand new coding challenge every week. So with that out of the way, let's take a look at that animated background. I am here with my completely blank page, ready for a colourful, rainbow-themed background. And to kick off, I am going to add some variables in the root. Now I have prepared these earlier. I have pastel red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. You can of course use any colours you like. And next up I'm going to head over to the body and I'm going to set a backup background colour. This is just in case the gradient which I add won't load, and you can use any colour you like. I'm going to hit up the purple. There we go. Very nice. But hopefully we won't need to use that one because people will see our beautiful background gradient, which looks like this. We have background, image, radial gradient, and then inside here we are going to add our variables. So we have var, pastel red, and then all the others as well. I'm just going to copy and paste this and change up the names. And then to actually see our gradient, we add a min height of 100 VH. And there it is. But we don't want our radial gradient to be just the size of the viewport. No, we want it to be much bigger so we can get this wonderful effect. And to do that, we just do background size 500%. So that has stretched it along the x-axis, and I want to do the same on the y-axis. And there we go. But if we leave it like this, we will only ever see this part of the gradient. And we want to see all of it in all its glory. And to do that, we're going to set up an animation with @keyframes, move, and then from, let's say, background position 0 to background position 100%, 100%. And now we just need to declare our animation shorthand in the body. So animation name is move. We want a nice long duration, so we have this gentle moving effect. So I'll go for 10 seconds. The direction will be alternate and the iteration count will be infinite because I want it to endlessly move. And now you will see we have this beautiful moving effect on our gradient. So relaxing. And the great thing about using CSS variables is that it's now super easy to use exactly the same colors elsewhere in your project. And you can switch them out whenever you like. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.